Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn Kafka jargons. Kafka jargons are nothing but the terminologies used in Kafka. So these are the terminologies we come across when we are working on Kafka. Producer, consumer, topic, partition, broker, offset, partition key, consumer group. In the following slides, we are going to learn each of these components. First, producer. What is a producer? Producer is the one who produces messages and publishes to the topic. Now next, topic. What is the topic? Topic is like a storage system. It persists the messages published by producer. Then consumer. Consumer is the one who subscribes to topic and consumes the messages. Next, assume producer is producing lot of messages. The volume of messages is huge. Then you cannot store all the messages in one topic. So what can we do? So here partition comes to rescue. So basically we divide topic into multiple partitions. In each partition we store set of messages. So if you see in this diagram, the topic is divided into two partitions and we are storing messages in each partition. Now we'll understand what is a broker. So in real-time systems we'll have multiple Kafka servers. In each server we will have topic being defined and the topic is being divided into multiple partitions. Okay, so the server is called a broker. Each server is called a broker. Now we'll understand what is offset. In the partition, each message is stored at particular position. If you take this partition, this message is at position 0 and this message is at position 1. So offset, this position is called offset. Offset is nothing but position of a message in a partition is called offset. Now next is partition key. What is a partition key? So if you see, this slide has multiple partitions. Now producer is producing message. Now I want this message to go to this partition only. Then I can achieve that using partition key. So using partition key we can ensure that messages of particular category are reaching to particular partition. So if you see, this message is reaching to this partition. How can we do that? How can we achieve that? Using partition key. Next, consumer group. So we have multiple partitions and each partition has different categories of messages. One consumer is not enough to consume messages from multiple partitions. So what we do, we'll have multiple consumers who will be consuming from the partitions. So these all these multiple consumers are grouped together and they will be part of one group, that is called consumer group. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed my channel already. Also don't forget to like and comment.